In Chapter 6, we've been talking about sequences. Now we're going to talk about sigma notation and a series. When you add up the terms of a sequence, what you get is a series. So u sub 1, u sub 2, u sub 3, u sub 4 would be the terms of a sequence. U sub 1 plus u sub 2 plus u sub 3 would give me then a series. The Greek letter sigma is often used to represent the sum of values. So if I want to tell you to add up a sequence, I will use the sigma notation. This means the sum of the first n terms of the sequence. It's read as the sum of all the terms u sub I from I equal 1 to I equal n. So that's saying take the values of u sub I starting with 1 and going up through n and add them all together. So my first example is to write this expression, the sum of x squared plus 2, starting with x equal 1 through x equal 4 is the sum of terms. So what I would write is 1 squared plus 2 added to 2 squared plus 2, added to 3 squared plus 2, added to 4 squared plus 2. Notice all I did was plug in 1 in place of x, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and I stop there, and I add all of these together. So calculate the sum of these terms. So when I do 1 squared plus 2, I get 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 18, which is equal to 38. So the value of this expression is equal to 38. Evaluate the expression. 3 to the x, beginning at x equal 2 and going through x equal 5. So the sum of 3 to the x from 2 to 5. So I've got 3 squared, since I'm starting with 2, 3 to the third plus 3 to the fourth plus 3 to the fifth, which is 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus 243, which is 360. So I found the value of that summation. Write the given series using sigma notation. Okay, now I've got to remember that a series starts from a sequence. My sequence is 4, 12, 36, 108, and so on down to 29, 16. So I know that I'm going to have the sum from n equals 1 to, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms, so through 7. Now notice that this is a geometric sequence because I'm having r value of 3 multiplying times 3 each time. And u sub 1 is equal to 4. So this is going to be 4 times 3 to the n minus 1. From 1 to 7 would be this sum.